Disable Excel 2013 cell animation. When clicking into a cell of a Excel 2013 sheet, the green border of the cell is animated while moving from the current cell to the new one. This is really disturbing. How can I disable this animation?
Hate that as well. It appears to be a global setting, unfortunately. You can disable it by going to Control Panel, Ease of Access Center, then click Make it easier to focus on tasks, and tick Turn off unnecessary animations. It will disable many other Windows animations though.
You can turn off the animation by Control Panel is greater than System and Security is greater than System is greater than Advanced System Settings, in upper left side, is greater than Advanced tab is greater than Settings in Performance box is greater than Visual Effects tab. Uncheck the animate controls and elements inside Windows.
There is a registry setting that allows you to disable all animations across Office 2013, thus not affecting other programs. It is explained in simple terms here. Tip: improve Microsoft Office 2013 performance by disabling unnecessary animations. There's a download at the end of the post with the corresponding .reg files to enable or disable animations. Just double-click on the Disable Animations 1. In summary, create the following key in the registry if it does not exist yet: hkey_current_user /software/Microsoft /15.0/common/graphics. Create a new Word disable animations in that key and set its value to 1. There's no way to selectively disable some of Office 2013 animations. It's an all-or-nothing proposition. Sotong's answer to this question disables all animations across Windows. Edit. For those who don't have access to the regedit UI due to user privileges, this can also be done from the command line. Use +R, run cmd, then paste in for Office 2013. For Office 2016, all on one line.
A simpler solution. Excel 2013, Options, Advanced is greater than Display, disable hardware graphics acceleration.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.